Looking for top-rated flooring contractors in Westport? The importance of professional installation is undeniable. With experienced contractors, you get high-quality materials, expert guidance on flooring selection, and an efficient installation process. When it comes to flooring installation, nothing beats the expertise of a seasoned professional. Let's take the case of a homeowner, Sarah, who recently moved to Westport. Sarah, eager to transform her new house into a home, knew she needed a professional flooring contractor for the job. After diligent research, she identified a few key factors that led her to her decision. She sought a contractor with a sterling reputation, proper licensing, vast experience, comprehensive services, and transparent pricing. Sarah was impressed by the wide array of flooring options available to her, including hardwood, tile, laminate, and luxury vinyl. Each presented unique benefits and maintenance requirements, and with expert guidance from her chosen contractor, she was able to make an informed decision. The installation process was efficient and hassle-free thanks to the contractor's experience and dedication to excellence. Sarah was thrilled with the results and couldn't be happier with her decision to hire a professional flooring contractor. Just like Sarah, you too can have the perfect flooring installed in your home. The importance of professional flooring installation cannot be overstated. It provides you with access to high-quality materials and expert guidance on selecting the best flooring options for your home. But it doesn't stop there. With experienced contractors at your side, you'll have the advantage of efficient installation processes and valuable tips on how to maintain your new flooring, preserving its beauty for years to come. From hardwood to luxury vinyl, the right care can ensure longevity. The choice is clear. Choose quality. Choose professionalism. Don't wait. Contact Purple Ribbon Flooring today for all your flooring needs and join the ranks of satisfied customers like Sarah.